the most dangerous manufacturing process.
This little guy costs $40 and weighs less than a AA battery. But here's the kicker. It packs enough raw energy to power every single Netflix stream, TikTok scroll, and iPhone charge in New York City for an entire year. The process to make it? Only 9 countries on Earth have cracked the code. Nations have spent hundreds of billions trying to master this technology. Why? Because whoever controls uranium enrichment doesn't just control energy, they control geopolitical power. Today, we're going inside the most classified industrial process on the planet, and trust me, it's wilder than you think. Here's the problem that stumped the smartest minds in human history. Uranium comes straight out of Kazakhstan, which, by the way, produces 40% of the world's supply. But here's the catch. 99.3% of it is completely worthless. Only 0.7% is the magical isotope that can power cities. Think of it like this. Imagine a packed Super Bowl stadium filled with identical twins, and you need to separate them based on a weight difference smaller than 3 paper clips. Oh, and they're all sprinting around at 500 miles per hour. Good luck with that. Back in World War II, the Manhattan Project burned through $28 billion. That's like $400 billion today, trying to crack this puzzle. Einstein's team tried everything: massive electromagnetic machines, chemical filters, even mercury separation tanks. But the solution they finally discovered? It makes rocket science look like kindergarten crafts. Fast forward to today, and we've built something that would blow those 1940 scientists' minds. But here's where it gets absolutely insane. Meet the centrifuge, basically a tornado trapped in a steel cylinder spinning at 70,000 RPM. To put that in perspective, that's 10 times faster than a Formula One engine redlining. The forces inside are 100,000 times stronger than gravity. Drop a feather in there, it'll hit the wall like a sniper bullet. Each one of these bad boys costs 50 grand and has to be balanced to the width of a human hair. We're talking Swiss watch precision, but if you mess up even slightly, boom, it explodes like a grenade. And here's the kicker, you need 20,000 of these spinning 24/7 for 2 decades straight. Iran alone spent $100 billion building these facilities. The precision required makes manufacturing computer chips look like playing with Lincoln Logs. All this engineering genius just to sort atoms by weight. After months of atomic sorting, they press this enriched uranium into tiny ceramic pellets. And this is where the real magic happens. Each pellet goes through 47 different quality checks: X-rays, laser measurements, chemical analysis. Because these aren't just ceramic dots. Each one generates $2 million worth of electricity over its lifetime. That's a 50,000% return on investment. Bitcoin investors are crying right now. One reactor core powers 500,000 American homes with 0 carbon emissions. While coal plants are pumping out black smoke and particulates, nuclear plants? They're literally just making steam. It's like having a giant tea kettle that happens to power cities. Get this, all the nuclear waste humanity has ever produced would fit in a single Walmart parking lot. Coal plants, they produce that much toxic waste every single day. And we're still debating which one is dangerous. Right now, nuclear plants across the globe are quietly powering the modern world, all because of this tiny miracle of human ingenuity. So here's what it takes to make one uranium pellet. Mine 1,000 tons of rock from Kazakhstan, spit it in atomic tornadoes for months, achieve Swiss watchmaker precision at the molecular level.
All to replace 3,000 tons of coal with 0 emissions. If this completely blew your mind, wait until you see how they make computer chips smaller than viruses. We're talking about engineering so precise, it makes today's video look simple. Smash that like button if uranium just became way cooler, and subscribe for more insane engineering secrets that literally power our world.